Alright YouTube, so you've seen all the other boiling water freezes in air videos. Well, here's mine and it's different. I'm putting mine into the camera lens. Of course I've got the right camera to do this, so here's the results. Hope y'all enjoy. So I like this last clip the best, so let's see that in slow motion. Alright, and now super slow motion. Alright, that super slow motion really showed a lot, but I'm going to give y'all some extra bonus, basically some freeze frames that I chopped from the video. I thought they were really cool. It's just one of the same pictures I used on the thumbnail. So I hope y'all enjoyed watching again, and y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can watch some of my next videos, and click the like button if you liked it, comment, and y'all come back.